Patio doors are a beautiful feature in any home, offering natural light, easy outdoor access, and a seamless connection to your backyard or patio. However, for homeowners in Austin, security is just as important as style and functionality. Choosing patio doors with the right security features ensures your home stays safe while still enjoying the benefits of open, inviting living spaces. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced security in mind, combining durable materials, innovative locking systems, and smart design elements to protect your home without compromising aesthetics. One of the most important security features to look for is a strong locking system. Traditional single-point locks are no longer the standard for secure patio doors. Many homeowners in Austin now prefer multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame. This makes it much more difficult for intruders to force the door open and ensures a tighter, more secure seal. Glass strength is another critical factor. Patio doors often include large glass panels, which can be a concern if not properly reinforced. Impact-resistant or laminated glass is a popular choice because it is designed to hold together even when struck. Instead of shattering into dangerous shards, the glass remains intact, providing an added layer of protection against break-ins. Frame durability also plays a major role in security. High-quality patio doors are built with strong materials such as reinforced vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum. These materials resist bending, warping, and damage, making it harder for anyone to compromise the structure of the door. In Austin's climate, where heat and weather exposure can affect materials over time, choosing a durable frame ensures long-term performance. Sliding patio doors, in particular, benefit from additional security enhancements. Features like anti-lift devices prevent the door from being lifted off its track, a common tactic used in break-ins. Reinforced tracks and secure rollers also ensure smooth operation while maintaining structural integrity. For homeowners who prefer French-style patio doors, security is just as strong. These doors often include multi-point locking systems and reinforced hinges, ensuring both panels remain secure when closed. With the right features, French doors can be just as secure as sliding options while offering a more traditional look. Another valuable feature is integrated security sensors. Many modern patio doors can be paired with home security systems, allowing you to monitor whether the door is open or closed. This adds an extra layer of awareness and protection, especially for families or homeowners who travel frequently. Proper sealing and tight construction also contribute to security. A well-fitted patio door leaves no gaps for forced entry, while also improving energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures that the door fits perfectly within the frame, maximizing both safety and performance. Lighting and visibility are additional factors to consider. Patio doors that offer clear views of your outdoor space can help you stay aware of your surroundings. Some homeowners also choose doors with built-in blinds or privacy glass, which allow for visibility control without compromising security. Reinforced hardware is another detail that shouldn't be overlooked. Handles, locks, and hinges should be made from high-quality materials that resist tampering. These components work together to create a secure system that protects your home from multiple angles. In addition to physical security, modern patio doors are designed with convenience in mind. Many options include smooth operation and easy locking mechanisms, ensuring that security features are simple to use on a daily basis. This encourages consistent use, which is key to maintaining a safe home. Energy efficiency also complements security. A well-sealed patio door not only keeps your home comfortable in Austin's heat but also adds to the overall strength of the door system. Insulated glass and tight seals reduce the chances of both air leaks and forced entry. Ultimately, the best patio doors combine security, durability, and style. For Austin homeowners, this means choosing features that provide peace of mind without sacrificing the beauty and functionality that patio doors bring to a home. If you're considering an upgrade, focusing on these security features ensures your patio doors not only enhance your living space but also protect what matters most. With the right design and professional installation, you can enjoy both comfort and confidence every day.